Here we have the 2018 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive EX. You will have your fog lights and LED daytime running lights. Power window door controls. Power mirror controls, econ button. Steering wheel controls to answer your phone, voice activated controls, cruise control. Phone integration. You can also connect your smartphone into this vehicle. Power ports include 2 USB. Nice deep cargo tray, along with more power ports. Sunglass storage and mirror. Nice spacious back seat. Convenient sliding tray. Capless fuel filler. Backup camera. Very convenient and easy system to fold down the back seats. Also has an all-weather floor cargo tray. Laser cut by Honda for this vehicle. You'll get that in the back, as well as the back seats and in the front. Extra storage compartment there. Spare tire. Camera on the side, so when you put your right turn signal on, you'll be able to see down the side of your vehicle. The 2018 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive EX.